you want to hear from the top of the chorus and you can on a new track?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, right there.
This is dot 4 now.
You'll be my,
Or 4.1.
you'll be my heart. You'll be in my heart. You'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. You'll be,
You'll be in. That's going to be pretty straight. That's going to be a bunch of triads going. Is that cool?
I'm just trying to.
Okay, yeah. Try it out. Here we go.
You'll be in my heart. You'll be. What did I just do?
You'll be in.
You'll be in my heart. You'll be. You'll be in my heart.
No.
Oh,
Let's
no way.
Let's go for it, guys.
R-TAS, look under R-TAS real quick. Just go down one step.
Emphasis on the end of
Okay.
the heart.
Forget it. It's not there. Okay.
Yeah.
So here we go.
They just got this in on Monday. Yesterday, so.
Got it in my power book.
Now and forever.
Okay. It's great up to just ever. It's just ever.
You'll be in my heart. Now and forevermore.
Yeah,
And forever.
It's straight tone and until right at the very end of it, it goes into vibrato.
At the end.
Now and forever.
Exactly.
Alright.
That's it.
Now and forever. Now and forevermore.
That's it.
You'll be in my heart. From this day